Good morning. If you remember last week, we talked about acts of service. Acts of service is doing something kind, unexpected, and helpful for somebody. So we reviewed different ways that we could be kind and helpful in an unexpected way for other people around us, such as our parents and people here at school, our classmates. So this week we're going to talk about the opposite of acts of service, and that is when you do something to somebody. So we're going to call that bullying. And being a bully is somebody who is cruel or mean to somebody on a regular basis. Somebody who may be perceived as weaker than the other person. A bully can be anyone, really. It can be a boy or a girl, somebody who's tall or short. It doesn't matter. A bully is a bully. And sometimes it's confusing to know if you're being bullied or not. Maybe it's just somebody's just being annoying that day. So we're going to discuss a strategy to figure out how you can tell if somebody's being a bully or not, and how you can stop them from bullying. So if you'll turn to your focus page on 4.1, we're going to go through this together, and the answers are on the paper next to the whiteboard. So if you'll fill in those blanks, I will kind of read through this with you. We'll just get started. So lesson 4.1, letter A. When somebody does something to you that you don't like, but you're not sure if they're doing it to be mean, tell them to stop in a serious voice. This is called drawing your personal safety line. When you tell someone to stop, you need to say it in a serious voice. So try it right now. Stop. Okay. Number 2, walk or move away from the person who is bothering you. So go ahead and fill that in for letter B on your focus page. Letter C. If the person who is bothering you still follows you, tell them to leave you alone in a serious voice. Go ahead and fill that in. Letter D. If they continue to follow you or bother you, then I need you to tell Mrs. Lee. It's important to follow these 4 basic steps, because if you don't draw your personal safety line and tell someone to stop, they may not know that you are being serious. Plus, when you tell them to stop and they continue to bother you, then you know they were being mean to you on a regular basis. And from what we've learned from our definition, a bully is someone who is being mean to a weaker person on a regular basis. This would be true if the bully did something to you tomorrow, or in 2 days, or next week, or even in a month after you told him or her to stop. Everyone in our school has a right to learn to be safe. Our school considers bullying a very serious offense. We have school rules to deal with bullies here at Liberty. Sometimes kids don't tell us about a bully because they are too scared. They think if they tell someone, the bully might do something even worse. So the bully keeps being mean to weaker kids and hurting their lives. If someone is being cruel or mean to you, we want to know. Bring a friend with you, or have your parents call us, because we want to know. If you are a student who sees someone being bullied, we want you to report it. Remember how acts of service is doing something nice for someone else by helping them out? By telling someone about a bully, you could be doing an act of service for a person you don't even know. And by the way, this goes for anything dangerous that you might happen to see here at our school. We want you to do an act of service for all of the students by reporting it and keeping everyone safe. Now I'm going to have you take a quick true or false test to see if you know some unusual facts about bullying. Go ahead and look at the second part on your focus page 4.1 and start answering the questions, and then we will review this together. Number 1, if I see a bully hurting someone else. False. Not reporting bullying hurts everyone. It creates a school environment that feels unsafe, and people can't concentrate on learning and having fun. Not reporting a bully gives a bully a chance to make you or one of your friends the next target. We have a responsibility to be a good neighbor to someone else and to protect them by reporting. Number 2, sending a cruel text message. True. Bullying can happen in many forms, including something called cyberbullying. Cyberbullying refers to any harassment that occurs via the internet, cell phones, or other devices. If someone bullies a person in the neighborhood. False. The school cares about all of its students on and off the school grounds. Bullying that happens off school grounds can directly influence how a student behaves at school. The person doing the bullying needs to be reported, even if they're from a different school. Bullies are always physically bigger. False. A bully can come in any size. Small people can still text or threaten someone. It's not based on a size or if it's a boy or a girl. A bully can be anyone who's acting cruelly to another person. We are now going to move on to your academic focus page 4.2, and at this time I would like for you to find a partner and do the compare and contrast question together. If you have any questions during this time, you may ask your teacher. Thank you.